To celebrate our 4th anniversary and to coincide with the start of Healthy Eating Week, on Friday the 7th of June, we're organising the BRITE Box Big Cook 2024. Our aim is not only to raise awareness of the work we do, but also to create a record of the most people cooking the same recipe at the same time, and that's where you come in. Please download our recipe and help us achieve our ambitious target of 3,000 households all cooking our special rainbow pasta recipe at the same time.
We can do this. All you need to do is download your recipe from the website and cook this tasty one-pot pasta meal anytime from 5 o'clock on Friday the 7th of June to Sunday evening at 8 p.m.
So come on, join us in getting the UK cooking and support a great cause. Download the recipe now and we'll see you in the kitchen.